Well, it's a real pleasure to be here. Uh, I one of the few actors that I like to watch and whose work I look forward to is Anil. And so the new season of 24 is one that I'm looking forward to as well. I think season one was really popular. Wherever I went, people would talk about it, tell me about it, praise the serial, praise your work, Anil. So every time I used to hear that, I used to feel really happy. And I'm sure that season two is going to go even beyond that. So I'm really looking forward to season two. And um, I think the energy that Anil does things with is so unique. Uh, he's got such a childlike curiosity about all the work he does and excitement with which he approaches anything, not just work. It could be a meal, it could be anything. So I just love that about Anil, and I think that that's the energy that he brings to all the work that he does. I mean, when I saw Zoya's film, Dil Dhadakne Do, I was just bowled over by Anil's performance, and he constantly surprises you and entertains you in so many ways. Uh, so, wishing you all the best, Anil. Yeah. I think it's going to be something that we'll all look forward to, and my uh, good wishes and congratulations to the entire team. Uh, and very keen to see what you have to show us. That is really fantastic. Yeah, I really love that. What do you guys think? Huh? Anil, it's amazing. Yeah?
I want your feedback.
No, I thought it was amazing. I mean, I can't imagine on television to see, the scale, and it's like watching the movies. Yeah? There's no difference at all, and it's really wonderful to see that this quality of work is happening on television. And Abhinay is someone who I've worked with earlier, and he's done a wonderful job. Well done. Yeah. Really amazing. The entire cast. Who's on the background score? Yeah.
Raju Singh.
Very good background. Yeah. The background score. I mean, everything. The production design, the all the actors, Renzel. So it's wonderful. Yeah. It's great to see that. Yeah. I'm really taken aback by what I've seen, and I have absolutely no doubts in my mind that it's going to really fly.
So I think we're going to have a Q&A, Amir, and with the
I don't know
media.
whether I've seen anything like this on Indian television before. Am I mistaken? Because I don't watch much TV. But on this scale, I don't think there's anything that has been there. So
Please
a big,
praise me. Yeah.
a big congratulations to
No, but
Colors and
season one was the first step.
Yeah.
Season two will be,
even bigger.
and it's been a labor pain, to be very honest. We've gone through this for almost now. That's one thing we've learned, and hopefully, the business that we are in, it's quite dynamic. It's been now almost 2 years, 1.5 years.
Yeah, 1.5.
1.5 years. I think the gap was a little too much, and hopefully, when we do the next season, we won't have that kind of a gap. And but it's been good. It's been a good learning, and it's been a good journey. Yeah, in fiction show, I don't think there is any other show on Indian television that's as expensive, as well as in terms of mounting any show of this scale and size. And the
Wow.
casting, I think the casting has been brilliant. Brilliant.
I want to hear Renzel, what he has to say as a writer, the person who starts it all. Huh?
Yeah, I just want to say that it's been a year and a half of writing, which is quite exhausting. Um, I don't see many of the writers here, but on their behalf, I just want to say it was great fun, but we killed ourselves. Uh, it's actually like writing about 8 movies. If you just look at the number of hours of footage you need to put on air, it's about 30 hours you cut down to 20, 24. So that's a lot of writing. So I don't know where the writing team is, but I just want to say that we had a really difficult time.